Welcome to Honolulu, Hawaii, where the day before this video was taken, I got married to my lovely wife, Joanne. And then, today, we're taking on this beautiful Honolulu honeymoon boat cruise thanks to a gentleman named AJ and his lovely wife, Mary Kay.
All right, badass!
And we're heading away from AJ's place. It's got the corner lot.
Here, there. That other one going where? There you go. Which one right there?
Introducing Joanne and Misty.
Canyon High! Look out! Here we go!
On this picture, you can see the water canals that come in off the ocean, which provide waterfront property for residential homes, such as AJ's. The captain, AJ, took us through a series of these canals on our way out to open waters. Yeah!
You want to jump off the bridge?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Like your style, kids.
Coco Crater. Whee!
Now I'm gonna throw my new anchor in the water right here. We're gonna get kind of close to the beach, and then.
Oh, we're getting the anchor out and ready to anchor down here on shore.
Ma!
I love a good chain.
Okay, and so what you're gonna do? Hey, what you're gonna do for me right now is and then I'll tie it off. Grab the anchor, just throw it all in the water.
Give it a good toss.
Yeah, give it a
Stevie.
toss. Go with it. Go with it. Go with it. No, you got it all wrong.
Too bad.
All-American Steve English.
Misty at first in the water, Misty at first in the water, Misty first on the water.
Ivan.
Mia's going for it. Jump on it, Ivan.
Okay, we're on to bring the kids up. Come on. Come on, soldiers.
Thumbs up.
Hey, congratulations, beautiful family.
Yeah.
Aloha, and this is how we do it over here.
You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know.
Gotta do the parade wave. So these guys caught the fish we're cooking later. They caught a big 60-pound Aluya. Oh my God.
get some video here. Go. Go.
I think he about took the fan out. That's so good.
Thank you. We're in Honolulu, and that's Steve and Misty.
Beautiful sky, it's such a clear day. You're riding in your sweet lullabies, come fly away. I'm riding in the beautiful sky, it's such a clear day. You're riding in your sweet lullabies, come fly away.
Hold on here. Well, the christening of another beer in Hawaii Kai.
So cute.
Beats into my heart. Feels like there's nothing around to make it stop. You are an ocean that makes me happy. You are a dream that burns inside. A magic ocean, that's my soul. Come fly with me. I'm riding in the beautiful sky. It's such a clear day.
Again.
Do it! Come on! Go, Ivan, go!